Y'all, come on, come on, come on. It's traffic. Quick Wendy's run, y'all. I'm hungry as ever right now. Got to get some food in my system. Yes, sir. Put this damn seatbelt on, boy. Gotta know how to control that wheel, boy. Put the seatbelt on at the same time. Yeah, I'm finna run to Wendy's and get me some food, y'all. I'm hungry than a mother.
This device does not allow Sync to play protected content using its USB connection.
Say less, say less. Grab me some food real fast. I'm starving, man. I really need to start cooking again, man. I ain't been cooking or nothing. I've been just straight fast fooding. Go to the barbershop probably about an hour, y'all. Go to the barbershop and take y'all on a little barbershop trip with me. Get cut up. I'm starting to look a little rough. Can't be out here looking rough like this, man. Don't do it. Drive down here neither. Show them how to drive, man. Go ahead, my boy. Yeah, I'm gonna hit the barbershop today, y'all. Get cut up. Get back crispy. Get the beard back crispy. Crispy line up. Yeah. Been about 2 weeks. Yeah, probably hit the barbershop and then shit. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what we gonna get into after that, y'all. Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling, man. No, I'm finna get some of this food in my system right now. Wendy's line kind of long too. Everybody want Wendy's today. They line kind of long too, y'all. Man, what's that word, y'all? You already know your boy HBT Kid, man. Going up, going up. Let me order this food real fast. Got that order in. Out of here. Definitely hungry, man. And now with this seatbelt on and trying to hold the phone. The money out. What she said was 14 something. Give her a dub. Give her a dub, y'all. It's $14 and something, she said. Ride around how they ride. Ride around how they ride back home with the money all in the council and shit. They be having a whole bank roll in the council, boy. Then what's the days, man? Better be spicy too. The Wendy's spicy nuggets, y'all. That's a hit. That's what I grabbed. Number three, 10-piece. Spicy nuggets, sweet and sour sauce. Natural lemonade, man. Hold on, y'all. Get the change. I don't want to be recording people. How y'all be doing? Thank you. Alright. I'll drop some of the cheese in. Drop the almond in there. Yeah, I don't be really recording people all on my vlogs they don't want to be on. I don't be doing all that. A lot of people do, but I don't. What I do, man, I just keep strictly me on my vlog, bro. That's what this is, strictly me. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really even posting none of the guys down here who I be messing around with, kicking it with, man. A couple of the guys down here in Florida. I just be really focused on, man, what I be having going on. Let me grab this food, though. Alright, y'all. We out. That was quick, man. Wendy's kind of fast now. Even though they had a little line, they was kind of fast. Hey, they need to put a stop sign right here. Let's see if I want to know to stop. I was just smacked there. Yeah. I'm finna smash this food, then they get dressed. And then I gotta pick up Shorty from school. He gonna get a full cut. You know me, I'm just getting a line in the taper. Yeah, and then we at the barbershop kicking it today, y'all. How y'all take this trip to the barbershop with me? In my daily life, my daily vlog. And yeah. I said, go ahead, bud. Don't even try. I tell you, bro, people do not know how to drive, man. That's why vlogging and driving, you gotta know what you're doing. Cause when you driving, you gotta drive for yourself and other people on the street. I was always taught that. Drive for yourself and other people on the street. Cause people can't drive. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. People cannot drive. I'm an A1 driver though. I'm a pro behind this wheel. I'm a pro behind this wheel. Man, what is he doing? That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, what type of driving is you doing on the wrong side of the street? Crazy. Yeah, y'all, I'm headed to the house now to smash this Wendy's. Get dressed, like I said, shit, I'm gonna head to the barbershop, so when I'm on my way there, or when I pull up, shit, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Hit this car wash up, y'all. Then we on our way to go and get a haircut. Hello. So when you a member, you ain't gotta wait. You can come right on through, members only. Yep, I hit the car wash, then we gonna get cut, y'all. Just roll with us. Hit this AC, it's a little hot. Man, I'm sure looking wet, man. Definitely need to get cut up. This car wash out here always packed. But we always gotta wait. That's the whole point of being a member, just coming in, supposed to be in and out. Let's see what. That fresh wash.
Some people on YouTube, some people roll their windows down.
Oh yeah, you told me that. They be doing that.
And some kids be trying to fight the water.
Oh yeah. Well, I ain't rolling these windows down getting no car wash, man. I won't be trying that one. Yeah, man. Need that wash too. Like this car look. Might clean the inside of it out too. We got about 15 minutes. We probably can clean the inside out a little bit before we go and get cut up. Definitely need this wash though. Big brush. doing no vacuum cleaning, man. Sometimes you gotta put the kids to work, guys. Put the kids to work. Vacuum clean. Make sure you move that book bag, get all that clean in there. Yup. Promoting, putting kids to work. That's what we doing. All right. Let me open it up for you. Hold on. Get it clean. Back seat. Back ain't too bad because nobody really riding the back like that anyway. Really more so than the front. Car clean, y'all. We finna be back on the road. Try to get all that good from me. Might have to lift that seat up a little bit. Use some buttons over there. Any place you doing out of at least a month. Already know. New car smell. Got to have that new car smell. It ain't no good if you ain't got this new car smell, man. Got to have that new car. I don't know what y'all be using out there, but it ain't nothing like that new car smell, man. Got it. You looking good. I think I got a little armor on. Armor roll it up. Got to get them tires. Get that tire shine. And then it'll hit me in the face too, y'all, because that wind blowing, that's crazy.
Why can't I use the wiper wheels?
There was a little bug that was back here. It's still back here. Yeah, that looks fun. Yes, sir, Steve. Got him washing the tires, y'all. He getting the tires clean for me. We done got the car wash. We done cleaned the inside out. And we got about, well, I said 15 minutes ago. You already know black folks are always late, y'all. We got about 20 minutes to get up here. That's pretty good. Hit that side a little bit, then we got to roll. I don't want us to be late. Come right in and hop in that chair. Make sure you close the trunk down. Yep. Quick car wash, man, inside out. Own detailing, man. I ain't paying nobody to detail nothing. Do it yourself. You dig? That's why I pay monthly. I pay a monthly fee to come through the car wash, man. Members. You come up here, you pay that monthly fee, you might as well back clean, do everything yourself, man. Real talk. Paying them 40,
Monte,
50 bucks. Huh?
there's a rip on your tire.
Yeah, that little cut, I seen that. It ain't nothing too bad, though. As long as it ain't no slow leaping, nothing, we rolling. And that's a good time, shit, all that grip. Yep, y'all, on our way to the barbershop now. I'm gonna holler at y'all once we get up there, y'all. Like, we got some action up here. I don't know what's going on up here, man. The way the police just came flying past me, I don't know, but like, no, there's plenty police officers up here, man. And we might have some action up here, y'all, up on the left side. Man, what's going on? Man, what's going on up here, y'all? Fire trucks, the police. Ain't no telling y'all. Let me get over here in this lane. Y'all see?
Looks like
Something going on over there. Oh, me, I'm being nosy. Oh, shit.
I should have took a picture of that.
About 2-3 minutes away. I might as well stay live. And rolling. I don't know what was going on up there. Tripod. Everybody. Ain't nothing like getting that crispy cut. That crispy lining. Beard lined up, man. We right on time, Johnny. About 4 minutes. You should be able to hide right in the chair, though. Normally you hide right in, right in the chair. Should be on good time, man. Everybody.
I could spin this fast with this.
Yeah. Straight out here today, too.
Whoa, what is that?
What?
These.
What you talking about?
Yeah, all the fur.
Shit, I don't know.
When I first get in the car, I'd be seeing them.
I don't know, you back clean that side.
Yeah.
That was your side, man.
I vacuum clean it.
That was your side, man. Well, I feel like I'm on the curb or something. Okay. Can't be curb driving. Alright.
Can we bring Coco to the care pet so we can teach her some stuff?
Care pet. Well, you got some care pet money, boy? Care pet costs money, boy.
I only have $10.
We're talking about some care pet. You gotta have some care pet money. Yeah, we done made it to the barbershop now, y'all. Let him hop in the chair first, get him right. Should be right time. We should be right on time. It's sunny out here. Might have to come up out this hoodie. Oh yeah, it look like he finishing up the cut now. That's rough. I remember that last vlog I had did. And I had a guy here. We hadn't got turned around. That's that massage chair right here. Come to the barbershop, get you a good massage, man. For $1. Oh, this joint already on. I ain't even putting that up in here. This joint already on and I ain't putting that in here.
I did decent for a little while. Let me stack it, and then I had it myself and betted all that shit that I made. I came up on.
To put $1 up in here. Get one of these massages.
Right.
Get one of these dollar massages, man. My money ain't. Nah, it ain't. Let's leave in that shop. Y'all see that crispy cut, boy. Got that crispy line up. Unfortunately, y'all, the battery finna die, man. Gotta get home, get to a charger. Yeah, y'all see that crispy line up. Let's see your cut. Let's see his cut, y'all. Okay, we see you. Yeah. Yeah. Crispy. Yes, sir. Ski. $100 line up.
I used to do this while I was walking.
Probably on the wrong foot.
Yeah.
Pay attention, reversing up out of here. Yeah, the battery getting low. Let's ride with us for a little minute before we turn the music on. We done got crispy, boy. We're ready for traffic now, boy. Get that fresh cut, boy. It's time to get out here. It's time to get out here. Traffic now. I already know. They don't know how to act when they get a fresh cut. Yeah. I feel like whipping now, boy. Getting out here. Been that mode. That boy that mode. We gotta stop at the gas station too. We'll stop at one a little closer to the house, man. Yeah, y'all finna go to the crib, pretty much chill. It's one of them days, man. Took care of all the little business that I need to take care of. It ain't no point of just being out if it ain't really nothing to do, really nothing to show y'all. I ain't gonna just be riding around aimlessly, you know what I'm saying? There definitely gotta be something going on.
You could play my PS4.
What's that? What game is that?
The PS4 I have.
Oh, the PS4, yeah. We can hop on the PS. Hop on the Xbox One. You gotta get another controller for that, though. Definitely gotta get a controller for that Xbox One. Yeah, y'all. I'm headed home, man. We done went to the barbershop, as y'all can see, man. We done got crispy. Been enjoying our day. Shit, man. Like I told y'all, it's just a daily life, man. I bring y'all with me, whatever I'm doing, man. Y'all be with me, man. Now it's time to just head to the crib, pretty much lay back. Get some good food. Roll up some good cushy. Man, I'm chilling, man.
Does it sound like a rain, like a drop from the water?
Yeah, it do.
Yeah, it sounds like bubbles popping up.
A lot of little traffic out here today. Oh yeah, I forgot that little incident that had happened when we was pulling up.
Oh yeah.
That's probably what's going on right here with this little traffic.
I wonder what started the incident.
What you think? Car accident or something?
Probably the person went on the wrong side of the road and went on the stuff they're building.
Shit, ain't no telling. Something wild like that probably did happen. But yeah,
Look at
y'all.
the fence though. It's all there, like bent.
I see it look like somebody done ran into that. But yeah, y'all, finna go ahead, head to the crib. We in a little traffic right now, heading home. And, I'm gonna tap back in. I ain't shutting the vlog down just yet. I'm just get up out this traffic, man. I hate holding this camera and driving at the same time, so I'm tapping with y'all in a minute.
Head ass boy.